And good day. Today we're having a look at this. It's a Sedy no spill coolant filling funnel kit, often known as a car burper, and this is for your radiator. And well, let's have a look and see what we've got inside. We'll have a look at the box as always. That's 19 piece, as you can see. Swing it around, and that's what the box looks like. We'll open it up, see what's inside. And this is what's inside the box. We have a selection of funnels, it looks like, and the little burper itself. So nice and compact. We'll take it out and have a look in a second. This is everything that came in the box. You have 4 different funnels, you have the instructions, a bag which has got a couple of different radiator caps in there and different fittings for it. You have the reservoir itself, which is this one here with a little plug system, and this is to hold the radiator coolant, and we'll be putting it to the test shortly and seeing how good this thing actually is. And this is the instruction manual that comes with it. I'll flip over the other side. So we've got the burper here. What you do, make certain you find the correct plug for your radiator. Select the right little unit that goes over the top, that locks it in place. Pop this in there, push him down, and we just grab a bit of coolant and pour it in. Now we've just changed the radiator, so we've got a brand new one in here. It'll take a while, and we'll start the engine up once this is settled a bit. Okay, we start the engine and get the liquid sort of circulating, and we should be having bubbles coming through now, as you can see. And we'll just top it up a bit more, keep it going, and when the bubbles stop, that means we got all the air out of the system. As you can see now, no more bubbles. We'll take this little plunger, push it in the middle, that's it, done. And we just grab our radiator cap, place the one that's up here, the one that came in the kit. Put that one down. This radiator cap doesn't fit. There's 2 different sizes, and of course, as expected, I got the wrong one. So I had to go out and get another one, and as you can see, fits perfectly. Now, hopefully you've enjoyed watching my video. Consider giving me a thumbs up, thumbs down, either way, doesn't matter. Leave a comment if you'd like. You know, if you haven't subscribed, consider doing that too. With a bit of luck, might get to see you on the very next video, whatever it happens to be. All the best till then. Bye for now.